If you care about your health, then our Healthcare Congress is for you. Our annual International Integrative Healthcare and Holistic Iridology Congress is a unique, world-class educational experience.
Hello everybody, Jackie Latimer from Alberta, Canada. I'm excited to announce I'll be teaching a full one-day face reading workshop following the Congress. I'll be discussing in great detail the 12 different features of the face. Have you ever wondered what it means when somebody has a really large nose or a small nose or a really tall forehead or maybe a broad one? What does it mean when somebody has big cheeks or a small mouth or a long chin? Every day we look at our face, but what do we see? Can we see passionate eyebrows or sensitive ones? Can we see a determined jaw, an intuitive ear, or an artistic nose? The face communicates an extraordinary amount of information. It's a treasure map filled with valuable knowledge and information about yourself and others for a deeper understanding, for awareness, and self-discovery. In this one-day face reading workshop, you will learn about the 12 parts of the face, and every feature of the face reveals unique qualities about yourself, your personality, your strengths, sensitivities, and your unique attributes about your true nature. It's a great opportunity to learn about the insights of face reading, which go incredibly well together with Iridology. You can apply them in life and in your practice. I look forward to seeing you there. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Visit iridologycollege.org/Congress for more information and to register. Visit iridologycollege.org/Congress for more information and to register.